Dude, carbon fiber, bro. Like, FTR carbon. What? 120 horsepower, 6-speed transmission, 85 feet of torque. Yo, has ABS and everything. Like, what's the CCs on this bike? It's 1230, or is that 1200? 1203 cc liquid cooled V twin. Oh, that says 1200 right there. But yeah, look at this carbon though. This is a beautiful, beautiful bike. He said I get the first choice. I was like, yeah, let me take this bike. All right. Okay. You know I'm ripping it down that road, right? It's just that I just don't want to do it now, like right here, because this boom boom, another boom boom. Yo, standing up on this thing does not feel bad at all. The carbon looks beautiful, first of all. Beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. And wait, am I riding a 1000? Will this be considered a 1000? Kind of. Different power band? Maybe? I don't know. Alright, gotta look. There's no cars. Okay. Alright, boys, you know what time it is. Oh God. Oh God. Yo, you're giving me way too much fun, bro. Way too much fun. Like, dude. What? I just did 120 something. What? That is crazy, bro. You're giving me way too much fun. Oh God, this thing picks up so quick. Is that a cop? Is that a cop? Is that a cop? Yeah, that's a cop. We gotta slow down. Dang it. Look, Denton County. What are you doing down here in Fort Worth? I'm ripping it. 40 rolls. Oh, you just opened it up for me. If I miss the turn, I'm flipping to you. I don't care. I want to see how fast I can get this bad boy to go. 120. Yo, so much fun, man. It brings so much fun, this bike. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This bike is way too much fun. Something I should not own, because I'll be doing this all the time. But such a beautiful bike. Like, I see why people want to test ride this thing. This thing's like awesome. All right, it's 25. I gotta rip it back to. Cause I have like 15 minutes, and I have to head to Kawasaki to ride the 600. All right, here we go, boys. This thing picks. This thing hauls, bro. Okay, I'm done. 130 is good for me. 130 is good for me. That's enough speed for me. Oh, I'm a hooligan. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hit 130. I felt the power and the rush that everyone talks about on sport bikes. They're like, you guys don't understand. Once you hit this speed, it's like, it still goes. Look, like, this is what I love about this. It's like, I don't know, bro. Naked bikes have a special way in my heart now. Like, the 600 better prove me something. The ZX 600, I don't know, man. I don't know. The one thing about 1000s is that they're easier to hit toper speeds at because they're made for that speed, and you have less wind hitting you. This one, I have all the wind hitting me, but I get to do this all day. Twist out throttle, baby! Here we go! On the speed run! Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, God. Okay, I gotta chill. I don't want adhesive to fall off again. Yo, to all you dealerships out there that needs people to test ride their motorcycles, hit me up, please. Like, I'll test ride your guys' bikes. Like, honestly, this is such a beautiful bike. It's great. I really do want to try sports mode, but I heard sports mode has no traction, and I really don't want to rip it with it being, actually, hold on. So he said if I hit this hard enough, come on, do this. Let's go sport. Oh god, this is a different beast. Oh god. Oh dude, that's definitely a different beast than sports mode. Yo, I didn't hit sports back there because there was too much water, and I didn't want to hit sports mode. But I don't know, I might have to take sports mode out, you know, test it out a little bit down this road, see if it's really sporty. Let's go right now. I'm supposed to make a left here. I gotta follow the route, plus I can't stay too long. I got like 10 more minutes and I gotta head back. I can make a left. Oh, I could, yeah, we're gonna hit sports mode. Woo! Dude, I hit 70 so quick on this thing. What's the speed limit on this road? Because I'm not doing it. What's the speed limit on this road? Because, oh, straight. Ready? We're going to open this bike up. We're going to test how sports mode really goes. Okay, we're at 100. 120. 130. Oh, God, slow it down. Okay. I was putting it back in standard before I kill myself. Yo, this bike is so freaking fun. Oh man, I'm a menace to society, you know? You can't have me running, having too much fun on bikes. What's the horn? I'm gonna hit it. The horn's alright. In 10 minutes, got my test ride with Kawasaki. Be like, dude, you were gone for like 10 minutes because I left at like 20 something, so actually less than 10 minutes. I was booking it. I'm like, dude, this bike is fun. I'm like, I'm gonna tell them, like, yo, this bike is like honestly the most fun bike ever. Like, not gonna lie, I had way too much fun on this bike, way too much. I hit, dude, 130. Like, it's crazy, bro, how much I hit. Oh shit. Ah, we're not gonna talk about that. I get a little bit too much throttle. All right, checking that. Do this. Pull my visor up. Going first. Yeah, if I have this bike, it will not be fun at all. I don't even know where to put my second GoPro at. I don't know where to put it. Like, is there room up there? Can I fit up there? No. Oh, dude, it has a, I'm out of Revit here. It has like an aquaphobic sauce. Oh yeah, that was definitely worth it. That was definitely worth it. Yo, this thing is no joke. I love how powerful this thing is. I see why people want to ride this. I'm like, yo, I didn't ride this yesterday because it was like so packed and there's so many people. I want to ride multiple bikes. I was like, yo, let me ride this bike. Let me ride this bike. Let me ride this bike. Like, I'm signing up for bikes, dude. I'm about to go to the BMW dealership, not dealership, but the BMW get a ride their cruisers. I'm gonna go to the Royal, whatever they're called, because people like those bikes. I don't know. Dude, it's just the Mirror Smashers moto vlog. Like, dude, you guys gotta admit, my vlogs are always lit. Always. They're like, dude, you were gone for like a couple minutes. I'm like, hey, we don't speak about that. We don't speak how much I was gone. I was booking and cooking. I was booking and cooking on job. What's up, big boss? Booking and cooking. I was on that vroom. I was on that throttle therapy, full throttle, full send, man. I ain't no baby. I full send my shit. Do. Dude, this thing's a whole different beast. I said this thing's a whole different beast. No, I had fun on this one.